Okay, folks, now that your machine is heated up, we just need to connect the hose to the machine. All of our machines are a detachable hose, meaning that when you're done working, you can disconnect the hose from the front of the machine, wrap up your hose, put the machine one spot, put your hose in another spot if you choose. You can also choose when you're done working to leave the hose connected to the machine and just walk away and let the machine cool off on its own. To get the hose connected to the front of the machine, we have two ports underneath our connector. This is our electrical connection, our pin switch, and this is our steam nipple. So this is where the steam comes out of the machine. On this nipple, very difficult to see from here, there's two O-rings inside the nipple. Those two O-rings need to be in place to make the seal. When we want to place the hose inside the connection port, we just line it up and we gently press it in until we hear the click and until the spring-loaded plunger is all the way at the top of the connector. If it doesn't go in all the way, if it only goes into that and you don't hear the click, the hose is not in all the way, and the first time you go to use steam, it's going to blow the hose out. To get the hose out of the machine, simply depress the spring-loaded button and pull it out. You should not get, or if you do, you'll get a little tiny puff of steam, but you will not get steam coming out of the machine. You need to use your gun to actuate the steam, so there's no danger in any excess steam coming out, or even when you lift up your flap, even with the machine in the on position, as it is here, we have no steam coming out of the steam nozzle.